is the Ready Bin Bowser. You buy these online from 150 up to £200. They're so simple to make. Right, so obviously get a Ready Bin from your local council, or just go onto Marketplace, Facebook, somebody would have one. So what you need is a quick flow valve. It shuts the water off when it gets filled up. In the bottom here, a filter goes through. There we go. Start. I need to change this for a quick release one because it sticks out too far. I'll try when it's in the back of the van. So on the side here I have the fill. This is the return valve for the pressure washer. So you save yourself some water. I just stuck some stickers on to it. People can see it. Don't look too bad. It does the job. All the stuff I got is from Amazon. I think I paid £9 for that. You also need to get a screw for the other side, nut for the other side, which is £2 for 22mm thread. Quite simple. That's another £3, 22mm for your return valve. And there it goes.